Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Klone. So if you don't know what this is basically a company that sells fragrances. For example, they claim that it is long lasting, and it is a cologne for men, or scents for men. And as you can see, they're rated 1.6 out of 5 stars here on Trustpilot, which is rated bad. And as you can see, a lot of people have said this is an absolute scam, and order came late, never received what I ordered. This is literally drop shipping, ordered by the buy two get one free. I would not recommend them, and basically a lot of people have said that this is bad. 86% of people rated it 1 star, and basically, which gives them a really bad image. And as you can see, it is really just a scam. And if you head on over here to Reddit, so, this person said, asked for experience with Klone, and as you can see, Klone is a scam. Do not expect to receive anything. Do not order from them. And yeah, a lot of people also said here that they're basically just a scam. So that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.